What are you doing, sweets?
Putting together this thing.
What's it supposed to be?
It's the Dreams and Sight Projection Mobile.
The mobile.
Is it mobile or mobile?
I don't know. There's gonna be Freddy.
Wonder if it's been recalled yet.
I'm sure it has.
May cause choking.
So what do you gotta do to it?
Unscrew it again.
Why?
Because I didn't do it right.
What didn't you do right? Huh?
Nothing. Everything's gone as planned.
What else does it do?
Crickets. I don't
Is that
know.
as loud as it gets?
If it works, that's good.
What else is it gonna do?
Go round and round.
Let's see what the box says again. It's...
Look. And then this thing, you know what it does? If that's left on for more than 15 minutes, it chokes itself. I can't take it! We won't get sick of that.
That's why it comes with the remote control for us to shut
I
it
don't
off.
see a remote control.
Do you hear it? I like the nature sounds. Okay, there's a lullaby.
Ooh, it gets all tricked out.
It's the remix.